I wanted to do such holiday for a very long time. Sipping coffee, looking at the paddy field, and mountain as a backdrop. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free!
Importing all preferences from home interface. Systems are now fully operational.
I have booked a shared limo from Ha Long to Ninh Bình at €13. Unlike Ha Long Bay, this is my first visit to the Lost Horizon, Ninh Bình. I am so super excited. Alright, we are taking a 15-minute break. I'm still halfway on my way to Ninh Bình Tam Cốc. After 3 hours ride, I reached Ninh Bình city center. The city center actually has nothing much to offer, so most tourists will proceed to its outskirts, either Tam Cốc or Giang An. Alright, I've reached Tam Cốc Liberty Hall. The vehicle has to stop right there. There's a parking area, and I need to carry my luggage and walk just a short distance to my villa. That's my luggage. Okay. Entrance, Liberty Hall Villa. Oh, sweet. Anybody in? I booked a room with balcony and paddy field view. I'm gonna show you later. The washroom, okay, basic, nothing to shout about, no bathtub, but that's okay for me as long as it's clean, neat and tidy. Here comes a fantastic part. Oh, okay, very nice, nice coffee tea corner, mini fridge, and guys, I can tell you this is a double bed. They combine together. Okay, a TV, fan, aircon behind me, and this is the deal, ladies and gentlemen. I have dreamed of this moment for a very long time, sipping coffee and looking at vast paddy fields and mountains. And finally, I am here. Wow, I tell you, because of this ambience, I am jumping in maybe either later or tomorrow. As it's starting to drizzle, I decided to prepare for the worst by wearing Bermudas and sandals and bring along raincoat for my first attraction. Bidong Pagoda, there are 3 levels. This is the walkway, and you have 2 lotus pond, but I don't see any lotus. Maybe it's not the right season. I have to wear slipper because it's raining. Okay, from this path we go up to the 2nd level pagoda. It is a bit steep. Oh, my knee is not feeling good. And how am I going to conquer Hang Mua tomorrow morning? And oh, temple. Bidong Pagoda is one of the most iconic sites in Ninh Bình. A bicycle ride to the pagoda is highly recommended as it is not far from Tam Cốc town center, and you can enjoy the breathtaking scenery along the way. Following this cave system, I understand can get to the 3rd level of the pagoda. Wow, it looks a bit creepy. Oh my goodness. And it rained again. In a moment's time, it becomes a heavy downpour. Let's go. 你好，那边。 It is very difficult to film under the rain, even when I have GoPro in waterproof casing. See what I mean? What I didn't know is that this is just the beginning.
Okay, Tam Ko Street walking tour.
It is only a 5-minute walk from my villa to Tam Kok's Town Street. Tam Kok Town has the most restaurants, bars and convenience stores. It is also very close to few attractions, especially the Tam Kok boat tour, which is located right smack in the middle of the town center. It is a good location to stay for beginners such as myself.
Lanterns Restaurant also recommended on search. Let's see what they have. Wow, this place looks like Hoi An. If you do a Google search, most likely you're able to find people recommending Lanterns Restaurant. I've ordered bún chả, that is an authentic Vietnamese dish, especially in Hanoi. I ordered fried tofu, a spicy one. I ordered coconut coffee. I want to try the coconut coffee. Okay, bún chả, herbs, vermicelli, dip sauce. Okay, now the key part, the grilled meat, the grilled pork. Let me try without the dip sauce. Not bad. A char level. Braised tofu cooked with chili. Decent. Coconut coffee. Very strong coconut taste. Very good.
After the dinner, I headed back to my villa. The path from the main road to my villa was quite dark, but it's safe. I walked such kampong road before when I was a boy. I will rest early tonight and shall wake up early tomorrow morning for my next mission.
Good morning, Bangkok. The time now is 6:01 or 6:02. By right, the sun should rise right now, but it isn't because it's drizzling now. It is still drizzling. Oh gosh. Today's itinerary is the most important one. Hang Hua Viewpoint and Tam Kok Boat Tour. But hopefully it stop before noon. That's my last hope.
While I can still put on raincoat for my day 2's itinerary, I won't be able to do any filming under the rain. So I wait it out while loitering around the neighborhood. At about 4 p.m., the rain stopped, and I quickly rushed to the ticket office for Tam Kok boat tour. The ticket office closed at 5 p.m.
Alright, I'm in my boat now. I paid for a private boat tour, no sharing. That cost me 250,000 dong. That is my boat lady. Xin chào. Tên chị là gì? Là Mai. Tên tôi là James.
Anh là người nước.
So my plan is to have a boat tour under a sunny weather, but as you can see, the weather is not really that fantastic today. It's raining again. Hello.
The weather was bad and this boat tour was a huge disappointment. It was supposed to display a breathtaking and mind-blowing scenery.
First thing, the skin is not crispy. The meat is a bit chewy. Not my expectation.
The rain has finally stopped. This is my last chance to Ninh Binh most important itinerary as I am checking out in 3 hours time. I booked a grab taxi to rush to my final destination, Hang Mua or the Mua Cave.
Alright, I've reached the famous Hang Mua or Mua Cave ticketing office. The time now is 15 minutes past 6. These are the homestay at Hang Mua. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the starting point. About 500 steps up to the famous Hang Mua viewpoint. Everywhere I go, whenever I see path like this, I need to go up, whether it's a slope or it's a step, especially a long one. This one is about 500 steps. By default, I always give it a maze. The reason is because I have a knee problem. My knees will hurt. But Hang Mua viewpoint is, to me, the most important attraction in Ninh Binh besides the boat tour. If I skip this, then what is the point of coming to Ninh Binh? So, wish me luck, guys. Let's go. If I can't even conquer this, I think I can forget about going to Great Wall of China.
I'm not done yet. Now I need to descend a bit and then to climb to another even higher viewpoint.
Now behind the statue of Goddess of Mercy, here there is a big dragon. From all these bumpy rocky steps, you can move along the dragon body. It's dangerous. I would not want to try it.
With that, I have come to the end of my Ninh Binh tour. This trip was incomplete as I was forced to skip a few attractions such as the Huadu ancient capital. I also wasn't able to film best scenery due to the bad weather. Hence, I have to revisit again, and I will soon.
If you like our video, do consider to like and subscribe. See you again in our next video.